Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will see how you can create amazing AI images for free in just a few seconds. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then click on the address bar and type Piclumen AI and press enter. You will see several websites in the search results. Now click on the first link related to Piclumen AI. Once the website opens, look for the option that says Generate for free and click on it. After that, click on the image option. Now you will be asked to log in. You can log in using your Google account or your email address, whichever you prefer. After logging in, click again on the image generation section. Now the first thing you need to do is write a prompt. A prompt is simply a description of the image you want to generate. For example, I will write a prompt like this. A man who is very serious about his career, working hard, looking like a gentleman, and studying at a table. You can write any prompt you want depending on the type of image you need. After writing the prompt, the next step is to select the image size. You can choose the size depending on where you want to use the image, such as for social media, thumbnails, or wallpapers. Then you need to select the number of images you want the AI to generate. For example, I will select 2 images as the output. Once everything is set, simply click on the Generate button. Now the AI will start creating your images. Within a few seconds, it will generate the images based on the prompt you wrote. As you can see on the screen, the AI has created 2 images. When we look at the quality of these images, it is really impressive. The images look very detailed and professional, and it only took a few seconds to generate them. If you like the generated image, you can easily download it. Just click on the download button below the image, and it will be saved directly to your computer. This way, you can create unlimited AI images for free in just a few seconds without any design skills. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.